Welcome to the session Data Structure Tree Gate Questions. At the end of this session, the student will be able to solve a data structure problems. Let's see first problem, Gate 2020, the recent one. In a balanced binary tree with n elements, what is the worst case time complexity of reporting all elements in range A to B? Assume that the number of reported element is k. So basically the question is that there are nodes, A node will be there and B node will be there. From any node to any node, it is considered a source node as A and destination as B. If we want to travel from A to B, so how many number of reported elements will be there, and that will be k. So considering that, we have to find out what will be the worst case complexity. So the options are given here, everything in log as we are in the tree. So we will see how it works. Now in this, the time complexity to check if element A in a given balanced binary tree is equal to, from A, if we are searching for A, then we will get the time is big O log n, and same for the B. Means before traveling from A to B, we have to search where is the A and where is the B. So to find the B, again we will need the time complexity will be O log n. Now the time complexity to traverse all the element in the range from A to B, the element which are in between, that will be k. So if it is order, in order and sorted. So here we will require, we will see this, any k nodes are there. Here I am showing the root node, because from A to B I have to go through this k. So here first I have gone for A, then B and k. There may be any different nodes also there. So here we will go for the calculation, big O log n for A searching, big O log n for B searching, and then whatever the visited nodes, here as we have seen, from A to B if I want to go, then I have to go through this k. So these are the k elements. If A is here, then to search B I have to cross this node and then this. Like this, how many in between nodes will be there, so they will be mentioned here. So here total it will be big O log n plus log n will be 2 log n plus this one k. So this will be common, and big O notation 2 log n will be nothing but log n. So our answer will big O notation log n plus k. So like this we can find out this worst time complexity is big O log n plus k. So here it is shown. Now the same we will go for different way to traverse the given binary search tree starting from the root. For every node being visited, check if the node lies in the range. If yes, we have to add 1 to result. Means if that node is there, if any in between node is there, then we are saying yes. Check if this node lies in the range. If yes, then add 1 to result and recur for both of its children. Then we will go for its children. If the current node is smaller than low value of the range, then recursion for right child. Otherwise we can go for the left side. It will be depend if the number is smaller or greater. Accordingly we can go for left and right. So In this way also we can calculate the time complexity of the above program is big O notation h plus k, whatever the height, how much height we have visited, plus k. So here height, every height will be go into this, will be log n plus whatever the k, the number of nodes. So in this way also we are finding the answer is big O notation log n plus k. Now one more question, try to answer this. Consider the array representation of binary heap contains 1023 elements. The minimum number of comparison required to find the maximum in the heap. So if we are having these many elements in any tree, then how many comparison we will be requiring, it is asked in this question. So we will go for this. See, if total elements in this will be 1023, so its level, last level is there, so 512 will be leaves. Since it is a mean heap, the maximum will be present in the leaves. How it will be? See, first it will be root. Root will be having 2 childs, then 2 childs will be expanded into the 4, then it will go for 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and last we are having 512. So addition of all this will be 1023. So this is covering 1023 all the elements. So if you have n elements in an array, we know that to find the maximum it will take how many comparison? N minus 1 comparison. So here at the last we are having leaves. So according to that n minus 1, so total 512, 512 minus 1, the comparisons will be there. So our answer will be 511. So here like this you can see that we are having this total number of nodes is 1023, leaf nodes are 512, and our answer we are finding for the comparison is 511. Now you try the one more question like the way that consider the tree representation of a binary mean heap containing elements, find the minimum number of comparison. The same question is there. Here I have changed the number of total nodes. So total nodes, try to first answer this question. Okay. So here we are having total nodes are 7. So here better you will understand. So this is first, then we are having 2 children, then they are having their 2 childs. So here we can see that total nodes we are finding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So leaf nodes are 4. So everything will come down at the leaf node in this heap. So if I want to find any maximum number, I have to check the total comparisons. So here A will be checked to this number, then A will check to this number, and A will check to this number. So when I am checking 3 comparison, then I am getting the answer to find out the maximum number. So the total comparison here you can see that is 3. So these are references. Thank you.